Hey.
Hi.
My name's Casey Longman.
I'm Destiny.
Wow. You're not fun at all. Okay. Ew. Okay, we have to cut these. Okay, instead of Chubby Bunny, we're gonna
wieners.
do it with readers. With this. Yeah, it does.
You just got leaked on.
I know. Okay. Well, we have nothing else to do, so. Ew. We're gonna split them. Yeah. This is so disgusting. I've never done this before with wieners. Just split them in half. You can do it.
Do what?
Huge chubby wiener.
Huge chubby wiener.
Three chubby wiener. Four chubby wiener.
4 chubby wiener.
5 chubby chubby wiener.
5 chubby wiener.
Why are you laughing?
Because I can do this. It's easy. Why?
No, but it's okay. No, not the whole thing. You have to split it. Wait, when do I have to?
Why are you? We're both on 5.
Okay.
Okay. 6.
6 chubby wiener.
6 chubby wiener.
Ew, I keep leaking on.
7 chubby wiener. I'm gonna throw up.
8 chubby wiener.
I'm gonna throw up.
Hurts.
That's so nasty. I'm done.
Oh.
I think I'm over it. I dare you to drink the juice.
Ew, no, do it.
I'll give you 95 cents.
95 cents.
Do it.
Oh!
Do it. We're still videotaping. Do it. All of it. I win.
Ew, I swallowed it, but I had to spit.
Yeah, well.
Okay, that was chubby wiener. Have a good day, people.
Yeah.